This channel has almost 600K subscribers, and every single video pulls in millions of views. In total, it has crossed 342 million views, all from simple fake chat shorts. And now, the creator is making passive income daily. Here's another one, just 52 shorts, and it already has 255K subscribers and over 117 million views. Even smaller channels with just 29K and 27K subs are getting tons of views and have started earning consistently through the TikTok creator program and shorts revenue. Now you might be thinking, can I really make money doing this? I had the same question until I saw the results myself. This is one of my own AI shorts channels. I upload just 2 to 3 videos a day using ChatGPT and a secret automation tool, and it brings me regular passive income. Yes, this works, but here's the catch. If you want high CPM, your channel should be US based and your content must be in English. That's how you attract a high-paying audience. Regional content, the RPM is way lower. One more thing, shorts don't blow up instantly. In the beginning, views come slow, but if you stay consistent with 2 to 3 shorts every single day, the algorithm starts recognizing your content and shows it to the right people. That's when the real growth begins. I'll show you how to automate this whole process using AI so you can post daily without wasting time. Let's go. But hey, if you want to start earning money right after uploading your very first video, then definitely check out this website. It provides pre-monetized US TikTok and YouTube accounts, so you don't have to wait to get monetized. The link is in the description below. Alright, now let's jump into the step-by-step process. So first, let's open one of these videos and take a look. What kind of shorts are actually going viral? As you just saw, we'll need 3 main things: a fake chat, a voiceover, and a background video. So now let's start by creating the fake chat. For this, you need to go to ChatGPT. Then click on Explore GPTs. Now head over to the search bar and type in viral text creator. You'll see this GPT right here. Just click to open it. With this GPT, you can easily create viral fake text messages for both shorts and TikTok videos. You can even use the default templates available. Let's try one of them out. As you can see, in just one click, we've got a completely fake chat conversation between a boyfriend and girlfriend. Super quick and super easy. Now, if you want even more fake chat conversations like this, just type create 5 more engaging fake text convos and hit enter. And boom, now you've got 5 more conversations ready to use. Pretty cool. Here's a quick tip. Try giving ChatGPT more specific or complex tasks. That way, you'll get even more unique results. Now let's move on to the next step, creating the actual shorts video. We're going to use a tool called Vid.ai. You'll find the link in the description below. You can sign up directly from there. Once you sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Just click on New Project. Then it will ask you what type of content you want to create. Since we're making a fake text video, I'll select that option and give my project a name. Now we're inside the editing dashboard. The first thing you should do here is change the name. Just type in whatever name you want for your characters. You can even add an image if you want. Now, we need to add some text messages here, just like a real chat. But here's the interesting part. Vid.ai also gives you an option to use AI script. Just click on it, and now you can type your prompt or the topic of your chat. Select the tone, set the length of the chat, and then hit generate. And just like that, the tool will create a complete fake chat message for you. So yes, using the AI script option is a great shortcut. But for now, I'm going to add the messages manually. So I'll go ahead and clear this section. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first message, and paste it here in the editor. If you use social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you probably know how chatting works. The person sending the message is the sender, and the one receiving it is the receiver. The same concept applies here. Based on the message, you need to select who is the sender and who is the receiver. So for this first text, I'll set it as sender. And of course, I'll also change the profile details to match the message. Got it? Now click the plus icon to add the next message. This time, I'll copy the second message from ChatGPT and paste it here. This one will be the receiver's message. Keep doing the same process. Add a new text box, copy the next message from ChatGPT, and paste it in. Just make sure you're choosing the correct sender and receiver every time so the conversation looks real and makes sense. On the right side, you'll see the live video progress, where you can check if you're doing everything correctly. I'll fast forward through this part now while I finish adding all the messages. Once all your messages are added, first go ahead and save the project. and then click on Next. Now it's time to choose a theme. You'll get two options here. I'll go with the dark theme, then click Next again. Now we need to choose a background video. You'll only get two default videos, but you can also upload your own. I suggest using satisfying background videos from YouTube. These work really well and are super engaging for viewers. Don't worry about copyright, since you'll be adding your own voiceover. The final video will be considered your original content. I'll just select one of the videos available here and move on. Next step, background music. From the drop-down menu, you can pick any music that fits your video vibe. After that, we'll set the voiceovers for the sender and receiver. On the left side, you'll see the receiver's voice settings, and on the right side, you've got the sender's voice. Go ahead and listen to each voice option and select the ones that sound best to you. Alright, and that's it. We've completed all the steps. Now just click on render, and within a few seconds, your video will be ready to download. Let's go ahead and watch how the final video looks.
Babe, we need to talk.
If this is another "we need to talk" that ends in "it's not you, it's me," just skip it.
No, it's not like that. It's serious.
Then spit it out. You're scaring me.
I messed up. Last weekend, when I said I was with the boys.
Don't. Don't you dare say it.
I was with her.
Who the fuck is her?
You remember my cousin, Alyssa?
The one who called you baby on your birthday? You said she had a weird sense of humor.
I didn't mean for it to happen, it just did.
Pretty awesome, right? You can see how easy it is to create this kind of video. You don't even need hardcore editing skills. AI takes care of everything for you. Definitely give this niche a try. Click the link in the description or head over to Vid.ai to launch your own profitable shorts channel today. And if you're serious about making big money with a faceless YouTube channel, make sure to watch this video for some great tips.